$10,000, the balance climbed up to $146,175, which is just amazing. But this is because it uses a Martingale system. And I will share with you the trading robot for free, so stay with me until the end of the video to learn how you can test it. But before you do that, I have to point out that Martingale is very risky. And when I say risky, really risky. Now, the idea of creating such a robot came after I recorded 2 videos about the $10 robot I purchased from the marketplace, and I've been trading on demo this robot for over a month now, and it made quite a profit with a Martingale system. So you see that from time to time it increases the lot size to recover the losing trades. However, I was not really happy because it made just $100 for over a month, and at the same time I don't know what is the strategy behind, which doesn't make me really comfortable using it. That is why I use the FSB Pro strategy builder, which I've been using for over 5 years now. But the strategy I created is really simple. It uses the Bollinger bands, and the rule is to enter long at the lower band. So if I go to the indicator chart, you would simply see that whenever the price goes to the lower band, it opens a long trade, and whenever the price is at the upper band, it would open a short trade. The moving average period is 200 and the multiplier or the deviation is 2.85, and these parameters work best for the time of recording this video. For an exit indicator, I use the top bottom price, which is really interesting. Simply, it would exit the long trade if it reaches the top of the previous week or the highest point of the previous week. And as well, I added a stop loss of 900 points, or this is 90 pips. And before I tell you about the Martingale, there is one more thing I decided to do for this strategy. It would add to the position if we have the same directional signal and the current trade is losing. In other words, if the price reaches the lower band of the Bollinger band, let's say these are the Bollinger bands, and the price goes down, it touches the lower band, the stop loss will be placed automatically below. But if we have another signal, if the price touches the lower band again and the current position is on a loss, it will add to the position one more time with one lot, and the maximum position amount is 5. So if it opens one lot, I would allow it another 4 times to add to the position, but only if the current position is on a loss. And now the Martingale multiplier is set to 2, which means that if the position is closed on a loss, the next one will open with double size. And let me show you the journal, or that is the account history. You can clearly see when it opens a trade and we have a new signal, it will simply add to the position on a lower price because the current one is losing. Then if the price continues lower and we have another signal, it will add again, and a 3rd time, 4th time, or totally it will trade 5 lots. And then you see that there was a great profit of $3,919 at the reverse. Okay, that's something I forgot to mention. If we have long trades and the price goes to the upper band of the Bollinger bands, it will reverse the position. And then you can see that it added a few times and there was a reverse, added a few times and the trade was closed on a loss, and then it started again but with 2 lots. So this is where the Martingale kicks in. So I would suggest you just to pause the video right now when I show my screen and look at the trades for longer just to realize how it works and what are the potential risks. Let's pause it again. And if you decide to test it, download it down from the description, but make sure you test it on a demo account. I'm serious. So once you download it, go to File, Open Data Folder, click on MQL4, Experts, and paste the Expert Advisor in here if you are using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Then double click on it to open the Meta Editor. Once you open the Meta Editor, you will see the codes. So there is nothing hidden. I will provide you with the source code Robot. If you are a developer, you can have a look at it, and if you are not, just click on the compile button and it will be a ready to use robot. You will need to right click over expert advisors, hit on refresh, and you will see down below in here. Drag and drop it over the chart, and from here you can control with how much you will be testing it. So for now I'll be using $50,000 demo account with HYCM market, and on this size of account I'll be using one lot, but you can go for a lower demo account and decrease the lots, for example to 0.1, and maximum position in this case would be 0.5, and the amount to add is 0.1, but I'll leave it on you to decide how you want to test. The more tests we do together, the more results and feedback we will have. I'm really excited to see some good profits, and I hope it will not blow the account, because Martingale EAs usually do that. Thank you guys so much for watching the video until the end, and being a subscriber of mine, it means so much. Check out this video on my site to see a review of another Martingale EA that I bought from the marketplace, and I'm trading it successfully already on a live account, but always test such EAs on demo. I think I said it too many times in this video. As always, don't forget that I love you, and I will see you in the next video.